Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This time it's again my LED TV. So if you see, some spots have started coming up rather on this LED TV, which is barely 4 years old, and it seems to be a fairly common issue with these LED TVs. So if you see, the entire panel is kind of black, but only two white spots are there. And I have done some research online, and if all goes according to plan, all we need to fix it is a Fevikwik. So let's go ahead and tear the TV apart. I finally managed to tear apart the television, as you can see, and these are the reflectors, and the reflectors which are causing the problem were these. So both of these reflectors have come apart, and that's the reason why from here, and that's the reason why we were seeing those two spots. Now I need to, using the stick fast or the Fevikwik adhesive, I need to stick them back into place. So I've just reassembled everything back in. Let's see if it starts up, or if there is any other issue that comes up. So we will only get to see when it actually starts up. Hi guys, so I've managed to assemble TV back, and as you can see, the spots which were visible over here are no longer present. So essentially, by fixing the reflectors with some sort of glue like stick fast or Fevikwik, I was able to fix this panel. But the main problem over here is tearing the TV apart and ensuring that nothing else gets disturbed in the process, since we are not used to uh, fix such things. So I would advise you, if you're not confident of doing it, better hire a technical person, a professional who would do the same thing. But uh, at the back of your mind, you need to know that it is a simple fix, as in a 5 rupee stick fast did the trick for me, and I was able to fix it. So uh, I would say do it at your own risk, because I faced some issues as well. As in, when I first started the TV, there was a split screen, and essentially the cable, the display connectors weren't plugged in properly. So I had to remove them, clean those display connectors, and plug it back in, and that made it work. So yes, if you like to do stuff by yourself, then I would recommend go for it. But if you're not so confident, then definitely don't try it by yourself. If you do like this video, please do hit the like button. If you don't, please go for the dislike button. That's it for now, guys. Goodbye.